Welcome children. Today we are going to do decimal system static part bead material. In that we are going to bring quantities. Okay. So in this activity Miss Juno is going to ask Miss Soundarya to bring some quantities. Same way நீங்களும் உங்கள் வீட்டில் வந்து உங்கள் அப்பா அம்மா கூட விளையாடுங்க. இந்த அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட் நீங்கள் பண்ணியாச்சு இல்லையா? bead arrangement like this you've made, right? Very good. So first thing what you do is you'll arrange this material just like this. Okay? And you will need one tray. உங்களுக்கு அங்கே ஒரு wooden tray தெரியுது இல்லையா? அந்த tray. And one green cup. Okay? In school, in all Montessori environment, we will use a green cup only. So, kandipa you must have one tray and one green cup. The green cup is for keeping the ones inside. அது குட்டி குட்டி beads இல்லையா அங்கே இங்கேயும் உருண்டுட்டே இருக்கும். அதுக்காக we use this small beads cup. Okay? So, இதை arrange பண்ணிக்கோங்க. And அப்பா இல்லைன்னா அம்மா வந்து உங்களுக்கு வந்து ஒரு குவான்டிட்டி சொல்லுவாங்க. நீங்கள் அதை எடுத்துகிட்டு கொடுக்கணும். சரியா? கொடுத்துட்டு கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிக்கணும். Always I'll tell you that you have to confirm. So shall we begin the activity? Okay. Now you see how I am going to start the activity. Miss Soundarya.
Yes.
Can you bring me 5 tens and 3 units?
Sure.
What are you going to bring?
5 tens and 3 ones. 3 units.
Okay. 3 ones or 3 units.
1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10. 1, 2, 3. 1 1, 2 1 and 3 1. 3 units. I have brought.
What have you brought?
5 tens and 3 units.
Good. Shall we confirm it?
Yes.
I've brought another cup with me for counting. Okay. 5 tens. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 tens. 5 tens and 3 units, right? Let's check and see. 1 unit, 2 units and 3 units. Correct. So you brought 5 tens and 3 units. Very good. Go keep it back.
Done.
Okay. Now I am going to give you another quantity. Can you bring me 6 hundreds and 7 tens? 600 and 7 tens.
Okay.
What are you going to bring?
600s and 7 tens.
Good. Bring it.
100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 100,
10.
110, 210, 310, 410, 510, 610, 710. I have brought.
How much have you brought?
600s and 7 tens.
Okay. Can I confirm it?
Okay.
Let's count it. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Very good. 600 and 7 tens, right? 110, 210, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens. Very good. Go keep it back.
Okay. Have kept.
Okay. Shall I give you one more number?
Sure.
Can you bring me 1,007 tens? What are you going to bring?
1,007 tens.
Good, bring.
1,000, 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens. I have brought it.
What have you brought?
1,007 tens.
Very good. Let me check and see. 1,000, 110, 210, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens. Very good. You brought 1,007 tens. Thank you so much. Please put it back.
Okay.
So you continue in this fashion. The only thing that you have to take care in this week is we will just stick to 2 hierarchies because they have to register the number that I am asking for. Here in my place, a parent will be asking. You will be asking for to bring the quantities. So just ask quantities from 2 hierarchy, like a 10 and unit, or a 10 and 1,000, or 100 or ones, like that. Don't make it 300, 4 tens and 2 ones, not like that. Just make 2 hierarchies. Next week we will progress it to 3 and then to 4. Okay. So this is what we will be doing in this week, just 2 hierarchies. One more thing you have to remember exclusively is that we have given them the number names only up to 25. So they do not know 30, 40, 50. But they know 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, So that is why I kept asking Miss Soundarya to bring 7 tens and not 70. So you have to remember that in mind. Please do not say the tens mattum neenga vandu don't say 70, 80. Instead you say 7 tens, 8 tens. This is next important point. And the third and the most important point is the confirmation part. When the child is bringing the quantity, I ask the child, what have you brought? It may not be the same that what I told. There is a possibility that child may get distracted, and let's, for example, I say 5 hundreds and 2 tens. குழந்தை எடுத்துட்டு வரும்போது they might bring 5 hundreds and 7 tens. So நான் வந்து அவங்க கிட்ட when they bring it to me, I'll ask once again, what have you brought? So they will tell, sometimes they will tell exactly what they bought. Like for example, they'll tell 5 hundreds and 7 tens. அதாவது அவங்க மைண்டில் இருந்த அந்த நம்பரை அவங்க கவுண்ட் பண்ணி எடுத்துகிட்டு வந்து அதுவே எனக்கு கன்வே பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அது வரைக்கும் இருந்தால் don't try to find the mistake in it. I hope you got it. I asked for 5 hundreds and 3 tens, but the child's mind it was 5 hundreds and 7 tens, and he brings 507 tens. நான் கேட்கும் போதும் அவங்க மைண்டில் இருந்தும் வர்றது வாயிலிருந்து வர்றதும் 5 hundreds and 7 tens தான். When they say it is 507 tens and it confirms with the amount that they have brought, the quantity that they have brought, please congratulate them. அதில் தப்பு கண்டுபிடிக்க வேண்டாம். அவங்க சொன்னதுக்கும் அவங்க கொண்டு வந்த குவான்டிட்டிக்கும் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் இருந்ததுன்னா we will tell them that there is a small mistake, let's find out how much is there ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு recorrect them. But அவங்க கொண்டு வந்த குவான்டிட்டியும் நம்ம கவுண்ட் பண்ணும்போது இருக்கிற குவான்டிட்டியும் அவங்க சொன்ன குவான்டிட்டி கரெக்டாக இருந்ததுன்னா ஓகே. ஸோ ஹியர் நம்மளோட கமாண்ட் இஸ் நாட் த மெயின் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன். What is in the child's mind and what the child has brought, that is what we have to confirm. This way we will help the child remain positive and motivated. Okay? So that is all for this week. See you all in another video. Until then, enjoy counting your quantities. Bye bye.